you can bridge from 10 different networks. Check this out. I have found the mother of all bridges, where you can bridge from 10 different networks. Let's check it out together. Hello flow farmers, how are you guys doing today? Today we're here to talk about cbridge. The website is cbridge.celer.network. Well, this bridge is huge, it's amazing. Why? Because as I'm gonna show you right now, you can bridge from 10 different networks. Check this out. So we have right here Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, Polygon, our Arbitrum, which I've never heard of. We have XDAI, Phantom, Avalanche, Optimism, which is another one that I haven't heard, OKX Chain, and Heko. So this is the biggest bridge I have seen so far. I haven't seen one this big. Elk.finance can bridge between, I think, 5 or 6 different networks, but this bridge right here is insane, because having so much variety like this is gonna make your life so much easier. And we have a nice volume as well. We have 130 million traded here. So why is this good? Because if you already used elk.finance, sometimes you can experience insufficient liquidity. It's gonna say insufficient funds when you try to bridge a big amount, but that is probably less probable to happen here, because the volume here is bigger than at elk.finance, if I'm not mistaken. So this bridge is going to work like any other bridge. You choose right here your source chain, which is from where the money is going to go. So for example, Binance, and MetaMask is going to pop up right now saying, asking you to switch to the Binance. Once you've done that, you can select all these tokens. On Elk Finance, you have to buy Elk to transfer Elk from one chain to the other. Right here, you can bridge Tether, you can bridge DAI, USDC, BUSD, Ethereum, Impossible Finance, which I have never heard of, and then Celer.network, which is the network that is providing this bridge. So you just select whatever, and you select your destination. So once you've done this, you just select the destination where you want to go, and you put the amount, same as any other bridge. So if you already have bridged something, you're probably very familiar with this. Just put the amount you're going to transfer, and then it's going to show how much you're going to receive. You're going to see the fees that you're going to pay in the token that you're sending. So the fees are going to be in BUSD, and once you're done, you click in transfer, and you just wait. And you just wait for as I said, you just wait for your tokens to be transferred to the destination chain. It's simple as that. So this is it for today's video. I just wanted to share with you all this bridge that I found, which is gonna be so much useful for me whenever I'm switching between farms and something and stuff like that. So anyways, I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.